I was standing in the drought, empty hands, my heart in doubt.
You were there through every tear. You kept pulling me so near.
Oh. I remember every quiet prayer, lonely nights, just an old worn chair.
Whispered your name through the fear and shame.
Still you call me child, still you call me friend. I was clinging to a broken song, didn't know where my hope belonged. Then your mercy found my deepest day, turned my heavy heart into holy praise.
Now every breath is saying thank you.
Every step is standing on your truth.
We have seen your faithfulness again. We will sing it. Windows of heaven are open. Rain of your glory is falling down. Grace like a river is flowing, lifting the weary from the ground.
Over my family,
Over my family,
over this house,
over this house,
over the broken.
calling them out.
Windows of heaven are open, and
My soul cries out. I can see it in my Father's eyes, how you healed all the years he cried. You restored what the thief once stole, gave him laughter, gave his spirit joy.
I can hear it in my mother's song, how you carried her all along. From the ashes you have raised us up, now our table overflows with love, yeah.
Every promise you have spoken stands, every season written in your hands. We have walked through fire and the rain, still your goodness, it remains. Open, rain of your glory is falling down. Grace like a river is flowing, lifting the weary from the ground.
Over my children,
Over my children,
over this land,
over this land,
over the widow.
you understand.
Windows of heaven are open, and
My soul cries out. Hey,
pour it out
pour it out,
on every dry and thirsty ground.
pour it out,
Pour it out
pour it out,
on every heart that's crying out.
pour it out,
Pour it out,
pour it out.
let every chain be broken now. We receive, we believe, yeah, man. We receive, we believe.
Rain of your glory is falling down. Grace like a river is flowing, lifting the weary